Morning guys, it's Friday morning, so here we are. Just going to open up the chickens now. It's -4 today, but I didn't let the hens out yesterday because it was -7, so they had a bit of rest inside the shed and they warmed. Then there we are. So I'm just going to see what they've been up to since yesterday. There we go. Yeah. We're just gonna have a look, see if there's any eggs. There we go. Just one. I think they've already smashed one or eaten it. They normally do that, and that's the eggs I've been collecting so far this week. There's normally some up here. Yeah, and they do lay in random places. It depends really where they feel comfortable. Yeah, they've got enough water. Yeah, like I said, random places. There's another one behind the door. And over here, let's have a look. Yeah, well, we've got 1.5 eggs over here. 1 egg and 1 shell. That's a shame. So yeah, a little nice sized egg, free range. So yeah, not bad this morning. Perhaps they're going to have their little feed as they've been let out now. They're going to have some worms and protein and all that stuff, and then give me some more eggs later on this afternoon. There they are. It's lovely feeding, really feeding the hens by hand. These are all the little chicks I brought from a farm down Sheffield, and they're all like 1.5 years old now. Yeah, there you are. They're hungry, as you can see. Yeah, and that's it. Come on. So I'll just give them a feed. A bit of mixed corn. I got some more stuff in my car yesterday. Yeah, so that's all for this morning, and we'll catch you guys up later on in the evening. We'll be getting some more treats for the girls. So yeah, over and out.